Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the fast mode on Blox Fruits game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to enable the fast mode, you can go to the setting first, select settings right here, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you will find the fast mode option. And now I'm disabling this fast mode and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, disables materials recommended for mobile. And when you change the fast mode, when you activate the fast mode, the appearance will look like this. Okay, and I'm going to disable it. Okay, so this is the different. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can enable the fast mode on Blox Fruits game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.